and give a big round of applause. Good morning, everyone. So today we have gathered here for the third Father Steno Memorial Annual Exhibition. And we have amongst us someone who brings us pride and glory. It is lives through division. Let's all welcome him with a huge round of applause.
Mr. Praval Garg, an accomplished officer of the Indian Forest Service (IFS), currently holds the position at IIT Kharagpur in 2014. His educational journey at one of India's premier institutions laid a strong foundation for his analytical and problem-solving skills. Before embarking on his journey, DFO of Dumka Division, during his tenure there, he earned widespread recognition for his
സമൂഹവലയം പ്രകാശനിലയം നിതാന്ത ജാഗ്രതയിൽ നിതാന്ത ജാഗ്രതയിൽ റൂഹായേ റൂഹായേ പാവന റൂഹായേ യേശുവിൻ മുഖവും സ്വരവും തെളിയാനിതു സമയം സഭയിൽ നിറയാനിതു സമയം സ്നേഹാഗ്നിയായി പരന്നിടണേ സർവം നവീനമാക്കണമേ സ്നേഹാഗ്നിയായി പരന്നിടണേ സർവം നവീനമാക്കണമേ സത്യകവാടം തുറന്നു നീ കാവൽ നിൽക്കണമേ കാവൽ നിൽക്കണമേ റൂഹായേ റൂഹായേ പാവന റൂഹായേ പാവന റൂഹായേ പാവന റൂഹായേ
Father Arul Bose SJ, Reverend Father Vice Principal as Father David Raj SJ, Sister Vice Principal as Sister Gracie D'Souza, daughter of Sacred Heart, guest schools, my colleagues, enthusiastic students participating in the exhibition, and my dear audience. I, Srinidhi, welcome you to Father Steno Memorial Science and Arts Exhibition of St. Xavier's School, Sahibganj. ZEV exhibits Explore and Express. This event is made possible by the efforts of our students, teachers and staff members. The target of this exhibition is to encourage innovation through science among the young generations as they are the future of the nation. For decades, many Jesuits have dedicated their lives for a cause to provide quality education in the remotest part of India. And Father Steno was one of them. In fact, Father Steno was the last foreigner who served the school in the capacity of the principal. Father Steno de Raphael, formerly known as Father Steno, was born at Vittoriosa, Malta on 21st March 1934. He joined the Society of Jesus at Loyola House, Naxar, Malta on 19th February 1953. Even when the rest of India barely knew about the Santhal Pargana, Father Steno came to India on 4th June 1956. He did his philosophy at Dinobili College, Pune, and Islamic studies in Lebanon and theology at St. Mary's College, Kashiam. He was ordained as a priest on 17th March 1965. From 1971 to 1984, Father Steno served as the director of St. Ignatius Hostel, Sahibganj, and taught geography at St. Xavier's School, Sahibganj. In 1984, Father Steno was appointed rector and principal at St. Xavier's School, Sahibganj. He preferred to teach English language and English literature. During his tenure, board results had significantly improved. Serving the society for over 53 years and 4 months with all his virtues, he left for his heavenly abode on 17 July 2018 at Mater Dei Hospital, Messina, Malta. Father Steno was known for his simple ways of living. He was a charitable and a humble man, a man of deep faith, high intelligence, a thoughtful, open-minded, eager to learn, and above all, a very good teacher. Father Steno is remembered for his eagerness to know more. His commitment to the core, modern knowledge, and interest in making people believe that they were the best were some of his virtues he is remembered for. He is also remembered for his concern for the well-being of kids. He would prefer taking substitution classes, mostly of geography. His interest in geography and environment, art and craft could be understood by this that many of the youngsters in the country on a massive scale.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, students. Good morning to Reverend Father, esteemed faculty, and all the organizers of this wonderful exhibition. At the outset, I would like to appreciate the two wonderful performances that we had, one of dance and one of singing. It feels good to see such nice performances being carried out by young students in a very organized, rehearsed, disciplined way. As far as the exhibition is concerned, I will share my personal feelings with you. Having completed my academic journey, I would say that books teach us a lot of things. Our teachers help us in interpreting the knowledge which is given in books. But the best way to attain knowledge is by actually doing something. For example, when you create a model of a volcano in school, you learn the ins and outs of volcano in a way that you will never forget in your life. When you create a small robot, you apply the principle of physics, which no matter how much you read through a book, you will not be able to understand it in that way. So life is all about applying things, applying knowledge. Whatever you see around here, right from the goalpost of the football to the mic I am using right now, was made possible because someone was brave enough to apply the knowledge he thought could make useful things. As we remember Reverend Father Steno in this event, I urge all of you to apply whatever knowledge you have gained right now, till now, and whatever knowledge you will gain in future to create good, useful things for the betterment of yourself, your family, your society, our country, and the world at large. Do not limit your thinking to the local area. Always have a broad vision and aim to achieve the maximum that is possible. When I see this school, the faculties here, the facilities here, I see great potential. It gives me a lot of happiness, and I would feel even happier if some of you goes on in life to achieve big things. So that's it from my side. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
I hereby declare the third Reverend Father Steno SJ Memorial Exhibition 2024-2025 for St. Xavier School Collectors open.
Now the chemistry department, go back, take your seat. Rest others will stand here. Chemistry department.
Integrating us and we take care that the integration and the soil is ready. It's already inspecting the integration.
Speak loud. Speak loudly, no?
How many elements are there? All of you. Good morning, Father. Good morning, Tell the capital of Kerala.
Made a modern and smart agriculture which will benefit the farmer in many ways, like the farmer do not need to keep many men on the farm. He himself alone is capable for doing the work using new technologies. Now here you can see that we have made a seed protection chamber. Whenever it starts raining, and the raindrops falls on the sensor, the chamber will automatically close, and if the rain stops and the water evaporates from the sensor, the chamber will automatically open.
Okay.
Hands up.
You will become like fireman.
ज्यादा फैन रखोगे तो जल जाएगी।
नहीं होगा सर, कुछ नहीं होगा सर।
अरे मैम हम जान रहे हैं ना, वो फोम है, फोम में आग पकड़ता है। डाउन शेयर विल नॉट फायर। नो अरे डोंट गिव मोर बेटा, वेट ना।
इन लोग को जानते हैं, बहुत बार करना ही नहीं होता है। ओवर स्मार्ट नहीं लेते। अरे वीडियो चालू है।
लास्ट ईयर केमिस्ट्री इन द सीपीटी
केमिकल खर्चा हो जाएगा, सर मना कर।
आई एम इन द
केमिकल खर्चा हो जाएगा। अरे टुडे विल नॉट शो द नेम विल शो।
अरे इधर देखो, वीडियो फोटो दोनों है। अरे इधर देखो,
भाग भैया।
ये होगा, रजिस्टर होगा, एग्जीक्यूशन
Stand up.
Turn this side.
जिला का वृंदावन। Sit down. Sit down. Your behind will also come. Very good, very good. Lord. 12. तुम दिखो या ना देखो, तुम्हारा चेहरा दिखना चाहिए।
छोटा ली जल्दी क्या है वेरी ऑल
इधर उधर देख रही है ना, ऐसे करके आएगा फोटो तुम्हारा। एक्सप्लेन करो।
First trimester starts.
Written there only.
I am written. In second month, the body's brain is formed, and third month, embryos officially become fetus. And after that, fourth month, start of the second trimester, and in fifth month, the baby's bearing starts. And after 6 months, all the fully developed all the features start appearing. And this is 7 months, the third trimester starts. And in 8 months, the baby
doctors have been explain.
Sir, in this process, we will boil the leaf in alcohol. Then we will change in that we will wash nicely, and we will take iodine solution. Then we will drop it. It will change the color of leaves. You can see different.
गरीबी छाया हुआ नहीं, गरीबी सुधार डायरेक्ट सर
Good afternoon. दोनों है।
I request the students kindly hurry up. The students keep on moving.
आइए शीशा खींच दे रहा है। Done. हिंदी डिपार्टमेंट।
Yes, sir.
के कारण ये मोबाइल से कनेक्ट होता है ब्लूटूथ के कारण। ये एड्रीनो है जो जिसको जिसको से कोड करना पड़ता है, कोड करना फ़ोन से कंट्रोल होता है। इसी कारण से मोटर फाइबर है जिससे चारों टायर मूव करता है, और ये लिथियम बैटरी है जो ज़्यादा टॉर्क प्रोड्यूस करता है।
चलो
तो चार्ज
This is rain detector. Whenever the rain comes, the clothes inside the house, the rain detector alert the person in the house. When the rain goes,
very smart.
you are not like
And this one.
Why don't you become like him then?
And this one.
show me
Did he take any permission from anyone for roaming around? Just yes or no?
look at this.
If any sort of indiscipline from any group is seen by any member, I'll cancel the entire exhibition of yours. No models will. Who was you? Why did you leave the group?
Yeah. Where is the list? Open.
Nobody leaves their groups. You stay with your group, the space provided.
हमारा रडार सिस्टम देख लीजिए फोटो इन लोग पागल इसमें हाथ ना
Students kindly keep on moving.
हाँ किधर है चलिए
Yeah, include me also.
Yes, I will want there.